Hello everyone, welcome back to Mangal Education. Today is our second session on English and we'll be discussing on one of the most important topic of English grammar, that is parts of speech. So we all know that there are different parts of speech, namely noun, pronouns, verb, adverb, adjective, etc. So we all know that a sentence comprises of a groups of words and those words form different parts of speech. So today let's discuss on nouns, its form and rules to tackle errors in use of nouns. mayamna dum khalamgani hadi noun je am laiba topic ti man ba ko aduga kaigino exams da noun je kaigino discuss taw to je na hairagadi hadi noun se question je kai da lake hairagadi mainly errors da lakani ba error spotting the errors ta khoina noun gi magi rules adagi my form ka ga se loina khangagadi khoina questions to handle to bada hen easier oini plus hadi hen mark score to bo oidoine ba kaigino da my rules ka do khangagadi error do khoina phajana correctly solve the wangamidana. Aduna first let's discuss on nouns. What are nouns? Nouns haragadi it's a word used for the name of a person, thing, place, abstract ideas, qualities or state. Have the abstract ideas haragadi khoina touch or touch to baya daba dem adi udaba adubu khoina think to baya ba adagi feel to baya ba dubu abstract ideas haiba. So let's see the different types of noun. First is proper noun. Proper noun haragadi khoina particular person, place or thing specific oiba kano sineba proper noun haragadi Arial, a name of a person, India akhoi country laire duna Russia or China, any countries, or even state na Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh minus C neba kanos na proper nouns na. Common noun haragadi any person hadi akoina specific oidabado common to every person oiba thing or the same kind, a boy, girl, a mother, father, adagi the country or even state, district sigumba se specific oidabidubuna kaino neba common noun neba ko. Aduna collective noun haragadi collection of persons or thing as a whole. Adi apun bagi whole oiba pot tubu collective noun haiba. Tubu whole oi haina khoina group amagi pungai da haibadi mu yade ba collective noun gi di magi hadi pot tu gi specific oina leiba. Committee haragadi a committee of people ni ko person do hadi mi kharagi group form to budubu committee hai. Bouquet haragadi bouquet of flowers harakani ba. Adu minus specific oina lei ko collective noun se. Abstract noun haragadi ngasai supan khre kaino akhoina uba aduga touch to badi yadabado dubu quality, action, ideas, quality gumba ideas gumba dagi concept, state sigumba se hadi akhoina khanba khotpadi yai dubu uba paibadi yade ko. Example the wisdom, youth or death, poverty, hatred sigumba mayam laire ko abstract noun dana. Next term we ngase countable and uncountable noun. We can know from the name itself countable which can be counted and uncountable which aren't countable. So first is countable noun. Countable noun the have both singular and plural forms. Singular and plural forms da dum animak laibado mango gi mangoes ko singular plurals maina girl girls singular plurals maina both forms laibasibuna countable noun haiba. Adagi second na rules haitare ko a singular form of a countable noun when used as a subject takes singular verb. Habadi akoina singular form of countable noun boy is singular na tro aduga countable oi ko masing thiba yabani na mas na kai gumba subject oina use torogadi magi singular verb lakani ba ste is la is a singular la idana sumaina khangado ba ko the mathangi snam the plural form of a countable noun when used as a subject takes plural verb. Have this the su chap mane plural kaino se subject oina use to ba plural countable noun se magina kai la haba plural verb la eba are la is sumaina some girls are playing in the park sumaina rules ni ko shide dong khangbiro. Next use of collective nouns ngasai hai khibado collective nouns ki di magi pot tu gi collective noun je specific oina layeba bundle of sticks, shoal or school of fish, crew of sailors, garland of beads, file of papers, heap of corn, team of players, fleet of ships or cruisers, mob of angry people sumaina pungai haijan ba yade ba angry people gi khara leiramen na noina crowd haiba yaroi ba crowd of people di hainei ko adubu angry people oragadi mob hairakani ba screenshot loge su dum logbiyo sigi se haidi sidi magi specific oina leibani na dum khangda ba yaroi da ba phone ne ba next rule sing ase ko rules la is koina nouns used in singular form sigi je kai no ha matam dana sida pyramid ba wahai sing se singular form da dum sijanani ba plural form ya de ko information furniture poetry sumaina I got some information on C harakani ba I have many informations kind s hapaya de ba khangbra sigumba kaino sing se sisu zoom screenshot lobiu second the economics maths ethics innings sumaina subject to or su the s loidra economics maths kumba s ethics s loi hai kaina ga si je plural form de sijana ba ya de ba adagi third the dozen 100,000 million when preceded by a numeral aduna khoina sida I bought 2 dozen of X harakani ba I bought 2 dozen saibaya de ba ko habidi preceded by a numeral habidi kaino khoina kaino ngasai gi dozen sigi mamang dan numeral ama laire khalase ba I bought 2 dozen sumaina halakani ba I bought 2 dozen of khoina ngasai gi I bought 2 dozen of X sumaina harakani ba ko habidi 2 la ns the s hapaya de ba singular form da dum laini ba dozen 100,000 adu karam kanda no ngasai gi mamang da numeral lai ba matam da ko fourth na fruit word bread as promised akoina kaino ma promise to ren khalo ba dum kanda su singular form da use tawni ba ko habidi let me buy some fruit maina let me buy some fruits nataba haidi aina kaino ma hana mangjong na haiba promise to ba habidi hana mangjong na kaino ma haiba natraga na aina haigi ba wa do nga ke kaina ga haiba matam da ko sigumbo sigi wahai sing se singular form da use tawni ba next mu yenga se nouns used only in plural form ngasai gi duna singular ne sina plural form da ko karamba season ge do yenga se first ta koina cattle ga kaino ga police people artillery sigumba sisu plural form the season ba cattle are grazing in the field harakani but the police have captured the thieves maina ko haidi plural form the use to bodo adagi second na scissor trousers spectacles shorts goods sigumba da su koina plural season example na my scissors are sharp your trousers are long maina ko haidi plural form da adagi the next na nouns used both as singular and plural in the same form habidi koina form di chapmana ba sida their example lora se ko there se same form sida ani je plurals singular da su plural da su ani mak use to ba yae ba habidi ngasai gi there is watching on us kind hairo ba ko there is watching on us sida singular use to ba se chapmane there are running before the tiger sumaina ko habidi both same form ne adubu singular plural animak sijana ba ya ba se deer sheep fish wedges si chapmane ko sumaina next the jury team committee sumaina haidi animak form animak to use to ya ba se team the example lora se ko the team has not arrived yet singular form da ko adagi plural form da na the team are working very hard sumaina both animak to sijana ba ya ba se next na one of or any of is followed by plural words habdi koina I want one of the bags kept on the shelf sida one of yaromadi ko magi matung da plural form use tawni baste s yawra ise ko chapman is maina one of or any of the adagi last na plural nouns are used with fractions and decimal over 1 kaigumba fraction ama pyramid khallo aduga decimal da su 1 dagi hen baleramagadi plural noun season ani ba example dana it took us 2.5 hours 2.5 habidi fraction le ore decimal 1 gi mathak ta leire adum kanda sida plural s yawra ise sumaina season adoiba adagi di next mu yenga se use of possessive case sidana kai no haba matam da koina apostrophe s or apostrophe z is used when living things but we can use with personified objects habidi personified objects araga di kai no sta example da yenga se ko hena gyan dana ba khoina ngasagi John's car sidana person ni ko John se aduna apostrophe s hape nature's law dadi person di nate dubu khoina objects da personified tobodo habidi mi gi type ta lo ba haidare ko nature's law a week's holiday kaina at days and kaina smaina season da ba yaye ba adagi mathang dana pronouns ta dine khoina apostrophe s se hapa ya de ba hadi s khatang kha hapakpa example da yours faithfully sta apostrophe s hapa ya de ko the next double apostrophe must be avoided habidi example da ko my sister's friend's mother has expired sisi je khoina double apostrophe oibanina ya de ba ko adugi mahutta correct form da kamai haini haigadi the mother of my sister's friend has expired sida di apostrophe ama laitra sida ani hapase ya de ba next na plural nouns or words ending in s apostrophe without s aduna khoina ngasagi plural kaino wahai dadi s na adum loizaradra sidadi apostrophe s to happy ba yade adui mahutta only apostrophe dang hapa girls hostel Lucas songs mane mi maming da su s na loiragadi ko oina apostrophe last ta hapa apostrophe s ki mahutta next mu yeng ase correct use of some nouns hadi khoina ngasagi cousin khatang haini ba ko hadi cousin brother cousin sister habase la leba adagi strong wind habadi chume duga strong breeze habadi ang la leba kai gino breeze haraga din khoina nushit li sit padu bu haidana aduda strong breeze habase lan gani ba ko adagi di khoina a 10 rupee note a 4-mile walk sumain haini ba sida 10 lei haina nang na 10 rupees harak padu la leba ko aduga sida su 4 oy na haraga nang na sida s hapak padu lan gani aduna achumba form da 10 rupee note a 4-mile walk sumaina adagidi amu yeng ase asagi important nouns with plural forms CD dum screenshot lo biro ko index kina indexes indices sumaina radius radii datum data sumaina she dum yeng biro hypothesis phenomenon phenomena formula formulae si kai gi no si pirai se haragadi question la pa matam da ne error gumba da hadi dum hapak pa yaw bone ba ko sida kaino khoi gi test tongna ba plural form khangi khangde habase last question khara yeng ase ko hadi spotting the errors saying ase we have bought new furnitures sida ngasai hagi do furniture da di akoina singular form da use to when haidana aduna si s se lotho ani adagi second all his brother-in-laws are settled in Australia sida kai la le haraga di akoina masagi khoina brother-in-law sabase ya deba sumaina hapakpa matam da dine brothers-in-law na lakani ba ko aduna sigi s se lothok pirani aduga sigi r gi matungda s hapiba yare ko aduga third tana two deers were shot by the hunter ngasai khoina same form da season ai habado duduna deer di magi plural ju singular su mana banina s lothok pirani ko fourth tana the radii of the two circles are the same sida di no error lakto ba kai gi no haragadi two circle gi neighbor radii se hadi radius of one circle radii of the two circle duna sindi no error dagi next he gave me 3 dozens pencil kai hai nga sai dozen di khoina kaino s hapaya de mamang de numeral lai ready habado duna s lothok pirani next I have sent him word to come soon danga sai word adagi khoina wahai ama hana hai mangjong na hai ba promise to bodadi singular form hai habani na ko sigi su no error adagi di next his sister always gives him advices sigi su kaino ne bala le se s se lothokani ba ko advice kumba se advice se nga sai khoina singular form the furniture information yaw bodo the advice su yaw ko advice is hadi plural form da use to be ade next this is a rare phenomenon habid matam sta khoina a rare habidi ama khatang habani dana aduna phenomena haragadi phenomena sti plural form ne ba aduna khoina kaidongni haba matam da a rare harabani na sta phenomena is lothoga phenomenon haina use tawni ba ko adu matang sinta lotion jare amadi akhoi viewers mayam na yengbi bai da makta yam thagachari amasung please like share and subscribe Mangal Education and we'll see more about this in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.